Welcome, connected souls. Today I'm going to teach you how to talk to spirit using crystals. Now, crystals are the most wonderful and amazing things. They've been in the ground for millions of years and they have the instant connection of the source, which the source is also connected to spirit world. So I find using crystals for protection, for channeling, for connection, I use crystals all the time and program them accordingly. So today I'm going to use two crystals which I just love. One's a quartz crystal and one is my amethyst healing ball. And when I used to tour the country, I used to use it to get the people's energies, and then I could get the information, or I would program the amethyst ball to do some healing and people would feel the healing within the body. So very good for getting the connection. So normally I would say to you, do my alignment, the mind, body and spirit. Okay, meditation, which is about 10 minutes long. That really cuts all the ties, the emotions and everything. But we're going to just do a quick way to get connected, and then we'll find out what the message is. Because you can go to anything in your home and pick up an object, and inside will be the energy. I use crystals because, like I say, they've been for millions of years, they've built up the energy. But if you're drawn to something around the home, like a candle or anything really, go in your old drawer. I did this on a workshop that we did, and I tell you, amazing results from it. And I might actually do a video on that. But you can open up your utility drawer with all the stuff that you throw in there. And anything you feel drawn to or stands out could have a message for you. And so you can get messages from anything. But today we're focusing on crystals. All right, so my first one is my quartz crystal. So get your vessel prepared and ready so that you can receive information. So the quick way is just to ground yourself. So imagine yourself like a tree. Go and feel the energy. And then just let go of all the emotions out your body, fears, doubts and worries, through your feet into the ground. And nature just loves that sort of stuff. And then feel the energy coming from your feet will bring you balance, cleansing and clear out all your energies in the body that will probably stop you from connecting. And then imagine that energy, so you're going in and out as you're letting go of the emotions and fears and doubts and negativity, and replacing it with beautiful balanced energy. And then imagine it going through your head into your aura, which is the energy field around you. Feel it being cleansed and all your thoughts and ideas and problems melting away. And then I normally put a waterfall around, which keeps me connected, and also any negativity that starts to come my way or thoughts or ideas gets just left and gone and dissolved in this pure waterfall. Okay, are you ready then? So pick up your crystal if you want to do it as well. Or just what I do is I start to merge with the crystal. And what I'm trying to do is connect to the source of the crystal. So I know inside the crystal is this perfect vibrating energy. And once I align with it, then I'm able to communicate with it. All right? So straight away, I'm just using all my senses. But because I've been doing this for many years, I can connect and merge quite easily. So you just use all your senses, then you merge with the crystal, you feel your energy and that energy connecting as one. And as soon as you feel at peace or as harmony with the crystal, then you ask for the message. Now, some people may want to close their eyes, some people may want to look on a white wall, because sometimes we get messages through images as well as talking, as well as everything. So what I'm going to ask is that, what is the message for me today? Okay, so I've got this beautiful flowering bush, and it's got roses in, it's got yellow flowers, it's got everything, all the different colours of the rainbow in this bush. So that shows me that when I ask my heart what that means, it means that is about the rainbow and the growth of the rainbow. So to me, I think they're trying to interpret that I'll ask my heart what it is. And what they're saying is the alignment. It's a very strange way to give me it, but the bush is aligned with different flowers to make it one with itself. And so when I'm at one with myself, then it's harder for me to pick up negative energies and one thing another. Okay. So I go back to the bush and ask it to grow again. And straight away, they show me a path. Okay, on each side of the path, there's water on one side, and there's oak trees on the left-hand side. And the path is quite clear. There's no leaves, so I don't think it's an autumn time. And I'm walking down the path, and there's people standing in front of me, and they are letting me go. So even though, so I asked my heart, what does that mean? And it seems to be that even though people are standing in your way and not letting you at first, they will eventually. So, and they're showing me YouTube attached to this. So what they're saying is that my information I'm putting up will eventually get to the right people, and then I will be allowed to carry on and move forward. Okay, because I have been asking about whether how much I should put on YouTube and whatever. So, all right. And then at the end of the road, they're showing me a peace sanctuary. I know it's a peace sanctuary because there's a big sign of peace there. And even though I've been really thinking about whether to create this or not, this has been happening for many years. It seems that when I talk about peace to people, people switch off. It's like they don't want to know. So I have been fighting myself on this. So I thank them for the message. And there's a golden triangle outside of this. And they're saying that as people walk through, they will be cleansed. They'll be one with themselves. And then they'll understand the peace sanctuary. You can also create the peace sanctuary within, I'm being told. And you can also, it's all a part of you. So they're showing me trees, they're showing me water. They're showing me all sorts of things around this place. So that's wonderful. So I'm going to put that out to the universe. If that's what they want me to create or be a part of, then I thank them for that. Okay. And then they're showing me walking through the building and out the other side. Okay, so what's out the other side? They're showing me a lot of graves. Okay, right. All right, so I asked my heart, what does that mean? Right, they showed me a lot of trapped souls, a lot of energies that are struggling. And I'm shown living and dead that need work. So bit of my sort of rescue work is still obviously needed to bring harmony and to bring peace. So I must improve that. Okay. I'm starting to feel that that's about the message because I'm starting to feel warm in my heart, which is a sign for me that I've got all the message and I've got the whole story. But they're showing me at the end a pearl in an oyster, and they're showing me that I will get what I've deserved through all this hard work. Not that I want anything from it, but I think it's a sense of peace and harmony that something will come from the project. And I think what it is just the joy and the beauty that's in us all, that's hiding within us all, being shared with the world as more and more people link together. And there's individuals linking to their own peace sanctuary, and then there's a big group of us all coming together with more fun and excitement as I'm seeing celebration and a party now in the back garden. So that was great. That's superb. So I thank the crystal and I thank the spirit world. I could find out who the spirit world is by asking them to send me a symbol or a sign. Okay. And I think it is my soul on this occasion, which is weird because I've not had my soul come through and it doesn't normally talk to me. So it does mean then my connection's getting better, that I'm able to speak to the spirit world. Okay, wonderful. Well, I thank the spirit world and I thank for the message and I thank you guys for listening. Look at my mediumship course. I'm going to be putting a lot more, helping you to connect, to become one with yourself, to be enlightened, to enjoy the journey is what it's all about. And the more that I do this again and share, the more I feel connected and at one again, and feeling of peace and harmony.